Okay, so we got this. It's a 97 E-Z-GO TXT. And we have a hard to start situation. Which is very typical of valves. So we're going to pull the cover off and check the valve clearance, or the rocker clearance of the valve, and see what's going on there. Okay, the first thing we need to do is check our compression. Alright, so let's get the plugs out. Auto lights. And pretty carboned up. This one's soaked. We're going to be changing them. Take our compression tool here. Okay, key on, wide open throttle. Okay, compression's not terrible. 100 and almost 120. That passes, it's in range. Fail, 60. Well, there's our problem. We are going to eventually be putting in 2 new NGKs. Update my ratchet here, make it a little bit faster. Just to hold this so the oil don't get all over everything. Clean this all off. I adjust my valves to 6/1000. It's just what I do. It's what I've always done. It's a little tight. Can't even get the feeler in there. That's really tight as well. Okay. Could all stand to be a little bit of an adjustment. Wow, that one's really tight. Oh, okay. Okay. Roll it all the way over. Right there. Jam it. Okay. That one's good. Wow, that one was really out there too. Okay. That's good. That's good. This one was actually good too. Just gonna give it a, it's a little tight. So I'm just gonna crank it out. 1/10,000th of an inch. Okay. This is our treble. This is our intake. Yeah, I can't even get in there. Wow. Yep. Okay. There we go. Valve adjustment complete. Now, reinstall our valve body, our valve cover. Got a little touching. Mosquitoes. Why am I not using a torque wrench? Because I've been doing this long enough that I know where it needs to be. Now, we're going to re-perform our compression test. wide open throttle. Look at that. Almost 150. That's more like it. It already sounds better. Get a little tighter. Okay, here we go. Now, it should fire right up as soon as I put the new plugs in. Probably going to have to burn all that shit out of that side. Muffler's going to have a bunch of fuel in it, so it'll burn that off for a little while. NGK. Flatten the washer. Snug. Okay. Okay, needless to say, they have this thing cranked to the max. I'm not going to touch it because if I do, I will slow it down. Yeah. Probably wouldn't hurt to do a service on this thing.